What's up, Kick Fam? Alex here, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing. Before we actually get into the unboxing though, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed and join the Kick Fam. Once we hit 100 subscribers, we will be doing that Nike gift card giveaway, so do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that you will be able to enter into that giveaway. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and unbox the Jordan Concord 11, the Jordan Low Concord Bred, Cornbread, Concred. They have a million names, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I was able to go ahead and secure these through Footaction. I wasn't able to get them through sneakers, which is typically like my go-to. I'll try through the sneakers app, and then if I'm not able to get them there, then I'll switch over to like trying to get them through foot sites like Foot Locker, Footaction, Champs, East Bay, and I just so happened to be able to secure a pair through Footaction. So yeah, I'm super hype about these. These were relatively hyped up, I feel like, and this is my first pair of 11, so I definitely wanted to get a pair. But yeah, they had some hype around them, but they weren't, in my opinion, they weren't like crazy hard to get like some of the other shoes that I missed out on this year. But we're not gonna get into that. So this is the bottom of the box. Didn't want to show y'all my address, but as you can see, you got your Jordan Jumpman logo, Nike logo, and it's a gray box. Like I said, I've never had a pair of 11s, so never seen the box before. Oh, that's dope right there. Got your Air Jordan logo. The box is a little dinged up, but that is all good. Got the size right there, Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, size 13. Y'all already know. Move that out the way. All right, and for the moment of truth, we're gonna go ahead and take this lid off. Got black paper stuck to the inside of the lid. Yeah, one more look at that logo. Take the lid off, put that to the side. I'm gonna peel back the paper, and there they are. Man, these are dope. Such a clean colorway, such a clean colorway. I'm super hyped that I was able to get my hand on a pair of these. You got that classic black patent leather that everybody knows and loves on Jordan 11s. You got that red translucent bottom, carbon fiber plate. I think that's carbon fiber. And yeah, man, these are just super clean. I think I would have preferred it if these were like a high or mid, I guess, high top. But you know, I'll definitely take it. This is a grouping of iconic colors when it comes to Jordan. You know, your red, your white, and your black. You know, it doesn't get more Jordan than that. So I felt like it was not a surprising move for them to put all of those colors together on this shoe. And if you don't know, basically your upper is coming from the Concords, and then your soles are basically coming from the Breds, and that's, you know, where they got the mixture of the colors from. But yeah, man, Jordan 11 lows. We're not gonna spend too much time going over the shoe details, but we definitely will get into some looks of the shoe. And of course, you know, once I have had the shoes for a little while, I will definitely do a on foot and review. One discrepancy that I do have with the shoe is this little mini Jumpman that's on the back. Like, I understand that you're not working with a lot of space, but the one thing I've seen on all the pairs that I didn't like is just the way that Jumpman looks. It doesn't look like the right proportions or something. Maybe it's just me bugging, but other than that, super cool. Very happy about these, very excited about these, and I can't wait to actually get these on foot. So yeah, man, that's really gonna be it. We're gonna try and keep this short, try and keep these unboxing videos, you know, not too long. I will also include a card for the other unboxing videos in the series, and I will go ahead and get into some looks of the shoe. Don't forget, once again, if you're not subscribed, to hit that subscription so you can be entered for that Nike gift card giveaway. And yeah, thank you for watching.